Okay, so hi guys, I'm Nikki Santinan. So right now, I'm here with Mylene Ong. She's one of the top leaders here in Wanglo. So basically, if you're a mom or a woman watching this video, maybe we can inspire you kung paano ka pwede mag-business kahit na mother ka na or kahit ginagawa mo lang to na employee ka before. So basically, Mylene, what was your work before Wanglo?
Actually, I was a branch manager of a furniture store at Robinson's Ermita. Actually, I was doing it for 8 years.
Wow, 8 years. Okay.
Medyo matagal siya talaga. Matagal ako nagising sa katotohanan. Kasi late ko na actually na-realize na sa employment pala, wala talagang patutunguhan. Kasi I was doing it parang paulit-ulit na lang, literal. Kasi 8 years yun, medyo may katagalan. So, literally, may quota ako as a branch manager, syempre. Para kumota, anong kailangan ko gawin? So, ang ginagawa ko as an interior designer, anyway, I'm an interior designer by profession. Para kumota yung branch ko, ang kailangan ko lang gawin is magbigay ako ng free consultation sa mga kliyente namin, which is lugi ako.
Yes.
Tama. Dapat
kasi pinag-aralan mo yung for so long, and then
dapat,
you need to give free consultation.
Dapat iba na yung PF ko doon, tama?
Yes.
Pero dahil kailangan kong gawin para sa branch ko, which, yun. So, ang nakinabang yung boss ko.
Okay.
In short.
So, yeah.
So, late ko na na-realize na dapat palang employment dinadaanan lang sa buhay ng tao. So, nung nakita ko tong business na to, ito yung nag-open ng mind ko sa reality na dapat pala sinisimulan na natin yung future natin as early as at early age. Kasi sayang yung oras.
So, paano mo nalaman yung Wanglo? I mean, for being an employee for 8 years, how was your mind open to this kind of business? Lalo na networking pa to.
Yes. Actually, dati kasi sobrang negative ako sa ganitong industry.
Yes.
Literal. Kasi parang medyo ma-pride ako. Branch manager, ganyan.
Interior designer pa ako.
Interior designer, may mga ganyang ano. Pero, na-realize ko na yung ganitong business pala, ang daming tao natutulungan, literal. Kasi, yung ganitong business, hindi lang alam ng tao kung gaano kaganda ang pinaka-concept niya. So, nung nakita ko tong business, literal, nag-resign ako dun sa dati kong trabaho. And actually, pati yung sarili kong profession, which is pagiging interior designer, I set aside muna. Hindi ko naman totally tinanggal. Kumbaga, sinet aside ko muna. Kasi bakit? Actually, I am a mother of two. Actually, single mom.
Yeah.
So, single mom of two. So, 2 boys actually. So, sila yung dahilan. Kasi dito nakita ko lahat ng pangarap ng tao nagkakatotoo talaga. Posible lahat. Kasi, sad truth, kasi yung mga tao tingin na pagka nagkaroon na sila ng edad, is parang, wala na, hindi na sila, they stop dreaming, literally. So, nakita ko dito sa Wanglo, literal, na kaya palang matupad yung mga pangarap. Dito na open yung mga pangarap ng mga bawat tao.
So, syempre, being a mom and then may kids ka pa, was it hard for you transitioning from being an interior designer, from being an employee to Wanglo? Was it hard? Or at saka kung naging mahirap man, anong ginawa mo to overcome?
Actually, medyo malaking transition talaga siya kasi totally different ang pagiging empleyado mindset to pagiging businessman mindset, lalo na sa networking. Kasi kailangan mahaba talaga ang tolerance sa ganyan. So, trainings and mentorings ng mga mentors natin, malaking tulong. Kasi dito, ang maganda dito sa business natin, very supportive yung mga mentors natin, katulad ni Miss Smith. Very supportive. Kumbaga, lahat ng pwede nilang itulong sa mga members, lahat talagang ibibigay nila all out.
So what can you advise to other mothers out there? Kasi syempre, hindi biro ang maging matagal na sa employment. I mean, mahirap mag-transition from being an employee and then transitioning to a businesswoman. What can you advise to them to take a leap of faith? Ano yung dapat nilang ma-realize or dapat nilang gawin to take the courage to start your own business?
Actually, wala ko maisip. Sorry.
Hindi. What can you advise to them? Kasi syempre, ikaw nung nahihirapan ka, napaisip ka, di ba, before na, kaya ko ba to? So, ano yung nagpatuloy sa'yo? Was it worth it? Na focus ka sa Wanglo? Bakit worth it?
Actually kasi, kumbaga, dito ko talaga nakita yung future ng dalawang anak ko. Sila talaga yung naging drive ko para gawin yung One Road. Kasi, kumbaga, malaki yung pangarap ko para sa kanila. Ang naging courage sa akin is yung dream ko para sa kanila. Which is, kumbaga, I want them to have a house and
Good future.
yeah, good future. Kumbaga, gusto ko magkaroon sila ng magandang education, gano'n.
So, paano mo na pag-job? Kasi syempre marami dyan mga nanay, okay, plano ko na maging full-time dyan, pero right now, hindi pa kaya. How can I juggle my time between business at the same time with my kids?
Actually,
Ano mo na
ako, sa morning kasi, mommy mode ako.
Mommy
Diba?
mode, yes.
So, pinaprepare ko yung kids ko. And then, after that, kasi pwede mo naman siya gawin half day.
Yes.
For mommies, katulad ko. So, afternoon, tsaka ko siya ginagawa. Afternoon hanggang gabi na. So, kung hindi mo naman kaya, pwede rin namang via online.
Yes.
Internet. Kasi pwedeng home-based ng business natin. So, kahit saan, actually, basta gusto mo, kaya mo siyang magawa.
Yes. So actually, basically, meron ka ba ibang last message to push the women out there na huwag ka matakot. Kahit single mom ka, kaya mong patunayan. So, meron ka ba
Yes,
message?
actually, kaya nyo yan. Kahit na mommy, single mom, time management lang actually ang kailangan. Tsaka priority management. Sabi nga ng mentors natin kanina. So, yun lang actually ang kailangan nyo para magawa yung business talaga. Kasi kung gusto mo talaga, mabibigyan mo siya ng oras.
Yes. So, there you have it. So, basically, guys, if you're watching out there, and then you're a single mom, maybe you can relate to her kasi hindi man ako mom, but I know, maybe you are having a hard time or you're thinking of other ways how to earn income more. There is a right opportunity for you kasi sa kanina mismo nang galing, she can manage both kids and business. Mommy mode sa umaga, pero sa gabi, business mode. So, ang maganda sa business na ino-offer po namin ngayon, you can do it part-time, online, or even at home. Na hindi mo kailangan mabawasan ng oras sa mga anak mo. So, if ever you're interested, just contact the number below and leave your comments below if you want to find out more about our business. So, thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.